The Philips Sonicare 4100 uses blinking lights to communicate different power and charging issues. Understanding these patterns helps you quickly identify and fix problems. Rapid blinking of the power button multiple times per second indicates your battery is low and needs immediate charging. Slow blinking, once every few seconds, means the battery is critically low and the toothbrush is entering power save mode. Continuous blinking indicates a system error or charging malfunction that requires troubleshooting. To fix power-related blinking issues, start with these essential troubleshooting steps. First, clean the charging contacts with a dry cloth or cotton swab. Dirt and debris can prevent proper charging connection. Second, verify your power adapter is correctly connected and compatible with 110 to 240 volts. Third, check the alignment of your toothbrush on the charging base. It should sit flush without wobbling for proper contact. Finally, if the device has overheated, perform a temperature reset by allowing it to reach room temperature before charging. Following these troubleshooting steps resolves most power-related blinking issues with your Philips Sonicare 4100. When troubleshooting your Philips Sonicare charging issues, the first step is understanding what the charging base lights mean. If you see no light at all, this typically indicates a power supply problem or a faulty charging base that needs attention. To troubleshoot charging problems, start by testing with the original Philips adapter, model HX6100 or compatible. This eliminates power supply issues as the cause. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try a soft reset. This resolves most software-related charging issues and is the first reset method to attempt. For persistent issues that don't respond to soft reset, perform a hard reset. This is more comprehensive and requires the device to be completely recharged afterward. These reset procedures resolve over 90% of Sonicare charging issues. Always try the soft reset first, and only use the hard reset for persistent problems that don't respond to other troubleshooting methods.